What up, YouTubers? Ryan225FEL, bringing you a video. We're going down to the Fort Wayne War Memorial Coliseum gun show. It's going to be an amazing show, I hope. Got a little bit of money and everything. GPS set up and everything. Gotta love my new truck that I just got and everything. So yeah, anyway, this is the gun show we're going to. Pretty much is I'm just going down to buy plastic cases to put brass and stuff in, just to reload and everything. So yeah, I hope it turns out to be a really good show. You know. So yeah, peace. Well, we're here at the amazing gun show and everything. People are carrying out guns and everything. And yeah, it's a fantastic show, it looks like. Yeah. Ryan225FEL. Bored as fuck. Long walk all the way up there. Hockey sticks. Who wants to buy them? Hockey stick, Phil. Don't they? Huh? So what do you think about this show, Phil? So what have you thought about previous shows, Phil? Phil? Anyway. Many people don't know this guy. He's from Kentucky. Yeah. Yeah. Good friend of mine. And everything. And yeah. Anyway, there's lots of people down here at the gun show. Allen County War Memorial Coliseum. A chick holding her. Yeah. Showing us boobies. Later, guys. What up, YouTubers? Ryan225FEL. I just got back from the gun show and bought a whole bunch of plastic cases. Really neat. They even gave me a couple coupons for Banditos. And yeah. Anyway, that's pretty something good though. Yeah. Anyway, it was a pretty good show, I thought. So yeah, they said that you can't do any videos inside the place. Pretty much there's the GPS. Got back to shitty Auburn, Indiana. Had a good day. It's 5:48 right now. I had a pretty good time. You know, it was a very enjoyable show and everything, and yeah. So I hope everybody enjoyed what I've showed you guys. And yeah. Peace out.